What's up, everybody? I'm back. I got another technical analysis video today. Today's gonna be a fun day, guys. I woke up to XRP at $1.10. Do you know how good of a feeling that is? Do you know how good of a feeling that is, guys? We have been waiting. We have been waiting. Think about it. We got up to 92 cents, and then the lawsuit happened. SEC hits us with that shit, right? And then here we are, $1.03 currently, got up to a dollar, almost $1.12. We were like fractions of a penny away. And we still haven't won the lawsuit, even though we are winning. Great news came out today if you were paying attention. And we haven't got relisted yet. Traders aren't even able to get their hands on this. We got to this price without people's FOMO, without the retail investors' FOMO. What's gonna happen when they all relist? How many of these, retail traders, these uneducated traders got shook out? I mean, go back, guys. We did this in our last video. One day here. One day we went from 75.5 cents all the way down to 37 cents. A lot of people lost their position here. A lot of people lost their position here. This whole chunk too. Those people are now like, damn, I was right. I gotta get some. And they're gonna jump in. And they can't yet. I mean, right now, there's, like we keep saying, there's only a handful of exchanges you can get your XRP at. Anyways, we got a lot to go over today, guys. It's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a fun video. I mean, if you're an XRP investor, life's good forever, guys. You're in the winning bag. It doesn't get better than this. So, anyways, but before we can continue, I gotta tell y'all guys real quick. Disclaimer, surprise, surprise, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, and it's for entertainment purposes only, alright, guys? Now that I told y'all that, and I know it's crazy to believe, right? I'm not a financial advisor, and look at me just striking here. XRP. We got the XRP play, guys. We got the Stellar Lumens play. Look at Stellar Lumens, guys. We talked about it at 7 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents. We're at 51 cents right now. Hedera, what did we say? 2 cents, 3 cents we were talking about it. We got up to 44, 45, 46 cents, guys. I mean, come on. I got a gem for y'all today, too. I got a cool little one we're going to go over here after I'm done. You know? Anyways, let's get to this markup, guys. I'm feeling great today. I'm in a great mood, guys. I'm probably in a great mood for the rest of life. I mean, XRP, baby. Yachts are coming. I was doing some yacht shopping today, guys. I already know the one I want. It doesn't take me long to pick. So, anyways, we'll get into that later, too. Maybe we'll go over some yachts here at the end of the video. We'll see. Anyways, let's mark up resistance, guys. We blasted through it. We blasted through it like it was nothing. Didn't even look back. Didn't even look back. Put one at that 80 cent price point too for the top. 1 second. Sorry guys. I like that to be precise. It was 80 cents. Alright. So I mean look at that. Just in there rejected, in there rejected. Here we go. We look how we blast through the level, guys. I'm still in awe. I'm still in awe. It doesn't surprise me. All right. Like I said, I've been with XRP since 2017. I watched it go from 30 cents to $3.84 in 30 days, guys. Do you see the potential? Do you see what you're dealing with? XRP is just revving its engine right now, guys. That's it. It's just revving its engine. Look at the candle from yesterday, guys. That wick came down to that 80 cents and then boop, went back up. Volume increase. We are bullish right now. Look at the red candle. We got 17 hours and 41 minutes left, guys. Look at the volume. This isn't panic selling. You're really just seeing some people collect profits. All right. This isn't a panic dump. This is a very nice pullback right now. This is healthy, guys. So now, do I think it could come down? You guys know how I feel. I do think it could come down. It could always come down. You gotta remember too, guys, these markets are manipulated. All right. They don't want XRP getting crazy. We've seen them suspend this before. And I don't know if y'all were watching Bitcoin today. Let's look at, old Bitcoin here. It's at over 58K again, but earlier it got under that 58K. We were in that 57, and I saw a lot of the cryptos, they looked a little shaky. And, we've been projecting, we've been speculating Bitcoin's going to come down soon, real soon. I mean, if you know what happened in court today, Basically, what happened was Ripple won the decision to get the SEC to have to prove how they differ from XRP because Bitcoin and Ethereum aren't labeled securities. It's over, guys. It's over. Ripple has the best legal team in the world. I mean, it's just, this is what smart money does, guys. They just get these undeniable facts. They get all of this stuff in their favor. Why would you bet against that? Why would you bet against that? Ripple's the best. Okay, guys? They are the best. They know what they're doing. They have an amazing team. When you're investing, guys, when you're looking at projects, here's a tip, okay? This is a very important tip. Do not overlook this tip. Alright, guys? When you are looking at projects, you should not even be invested if you haven't read their white paper. If you haven't gone to their website and read their white paper, you should not even have any money involved. You know nothing of the company. You know nothing of the vision, of the goal, of the problem they're trying to solve. Okay? If you read Ripple's white paper, they're literally trying to solve cross-border payments. All right, they're going to save banks a bunch of money with this tech. They're going to move trillions of dollars around the world instantaneously for pennies. Right now, they pay billions of dollars a year in fees. If you're transferring Japanese yen to United States dollars, there's a middleman who's got to do that, little conversion. That costs money, guys. Banks won't have this problem anymore. XRP solves that. You can get any money anywhere into any currency in 7 seconds or less. And now all those billions of dollars a year they pay in fees, that's now profit. So you're making more money. Why would you not use this software, guys? Why? That's what Ripple is. For all y'all who don't know, Ripple is a private software company. All right, they developed XRP and they're selling it to their clientele. Their clientele is the banks. Their clientele are governments. Their clientele are sophisticated institutions. It's not retail traders. It's not people who go to the grocery store to spend this XRP on groceries or on fast food or whatever. All right, guys. So, to get back to XRP, we just gotta keep an eye, okay? Like Bitcoin's out here. That could easily bring this down. It's easy to get excited, guys. It's easy to get sucked into this. We are moving in the right direction. We have been confirmed. This project is succeeding and it's going to do very, very well. All right? I'm just saying though, don't go put your entire, playbook, everything you got to, play with right now to invest. Don't put it all in at $1.02. You need to learn how to find entry points, okay? Maybe you just get a little bit at $1.02. If it comes down, you still got money to get some. If it goes up, maybe you buy into strength. Maybe you just wait for a pullback and be content with what you have. We all have different goals. I'd have to literally sit here, have a one-on-one interview with you guys if y'all want me to help you figure out how to get in. I'm not about to do that, okay? That's a lot. You gotta learn this stuff, guys. I'm here to help you learn. Nobody's gonna care about your money more than you. Okay, guys? I don't care about your money more than you. You care about your money more than anyone. That's how it should be. Okay? And if that's the case, you need to be the one who knows how to take care of it, who knows how to make decisions with it, who knows how to move it. Alright, guys? I'm here to just shed perspective and give y'all ideas. That's it. We just share ideas here. I'm not a psychic as much as it looks like I am. Alright? I don't have I mean, I have crystals, guys. I do have a crystal ball, actually, but I don't actually see visions in the crystal ball. Do I get prophetic dreams? Yeah, I do. But that doesn't mean I'm a psychic. Alright? I'm just a guy reading candlesticks. I'm just a guy who reads white papers, who does research, who can read between all the bullshit narratives. Okay, everybody's pushing propaganda, guys. Until you learn to think for yourself and come to your own conclusions, you will not be successful here. Alright, guys? Luckily, we're a family, we're a team. We all talk, we exchange. A lot of y'all reach out to me. I love all you guys a lot. I'll help you in any way I can. Like, that's the beauty of a community. That's why I love the XRP community so much. We all came together and look what we've stumbled upon. Look what we've discovered. Nobody has the fundamentals we have. Nobody. No project. Nothing here on this watch list. I mean, go to CoinMarketCap, guys. There's thousands and thousands of cryptocurrencies. None of these, well, actually, to be exact, there's 9,146 cryptocurrencies. None of these 9,146 cryptocurrencies have the fundamentals backing it the way XRP does. None of them. All right? Understand what you own. Know what you own. Everybody's going to want this. You know it way, way early because you're smart. And you're tuned into, Nebby Starborn's little technical analysis series here. Y'all been following, y'all been doing your research, and now y'all are seeing the results. You're seeing the confirmation. This is great, guys. This is great. Anyways, let's get back to our analysis here. So, 80 cents could be pretty strong, guys. Now, if it comes back to 80 cents is the question. And that's why we would have to see how it gets back to 80 cents. If it comes down with a lot of selling volume, I don't think 80 cents is the level that's going to hold. I think we could get back down to them 70 cents, 60 cents, especially again with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dumps, I got Bitcoin dumping to 30K, 28K. I think that's the real level. I mean, y'all saw my first 3 videos I put out. These are the levels, guys. We'll go over it again real quick. Let's take a quick peek at Bitcoin. Came down, went up, came back down to a level, which also had a 50 moving average, came up, ranging sideways, no volume, nobody's interested here. Also sets a lower high. Got your high and your lower high. This thing easily could come down to that 50. This 50 is not strong, guys. Not in my opinion. And if that 50, I mean, that 50 in this level, this is really the area. I think we just come right down and we're going to get to that 40K. I think we'll play around 40K for a little bit. I don't think you just go all the way to 28, but that is possible in crypto, guys. These are untamed beasts. It's very possible. Look at it right now. We're back under 58K. There it is, guys. We're at 57.9. And now look at all the markets. You see the red starting to come in. That 58K is very key. At 50, it's like almost a psychological number. If you get too far away from 60K, people start to panic, and then it's like a magnet, and it'll pull you in a direction. And I mean, it looks like that direction, that magnet wants to pull down to that 50K. This time, I don't think 50K holds. That's my opinion. As of right now, with the information available to me. If things change, I'll have a different opinion. You gotta be flexible. All right? We don't know. Nobody knows. Here's a tip, guys. If anybody tells you what's gonna happen, they don't know. All right? I don't know what's gonna happen with XRP. I know it's gonna perform well. It has enough probability. It has enough information. It has enough fundamentals behind it for me to take the chance. So, I mean, in that respect, yes. But I don't know what the price is going to. Hey, what's it gonna go to? What do you think it's gonna go to? Who gives a fuck what I think it's gonna go to? Is the project good? And does it have room to grow? And if so, you're gonna make money along the way. Now your job is to get in at good deals. All right? That's what you want to do. A lot of people out here wanting to buy it now at $1. They didn't want to buy it at 20 cents when you were getting it 5 for $1. And that's market psychology. People didn't buy it. Well, I mean, let me use a different example. XRP, look at this. Where's the action, guys? This is 22 cents here. Little pop, and then we let it come all the way back down. Then a big pop, we come up, and one day, guys, we came back down 34 cents. I mean, look at this, guys. Just look how long it's been at these low numbers. People didn't want it. Look at the volume. People didn't want it. Look over here, guys. This is all of 2020. I talked about XRP this whole time, guys. This is just September. September to November 2020. We talked about it over here. This is April. This is a year ago. I started talking about XRP in February when the pandemic started. When things were getting crazy over in this area. This is when I knew. I saw the markets freak out because of the pandemic. And then I saw the strong recovery, and that was just at that time I realized what COVID was. I don't even know if I can talk about it. I mean, the fact that I just said that word might get me flagged, which is pathetic. But I mean, I saw it was just a smokescreen for the launch of a new financial system. And that new financial system, according to what I've studied, what I think, how I've put it together, is XRP. I mean, they all gotta be on the same network. They have to use the same tech. XRP's the internet of money. I'm trying to tell you guys. I'm barely giving y'all information about XRP. I can sense y'all. As y'all listen to this, I can sense you. Just like, damn, wow, XRP. I know it. That's how you should feel. When you understand what you own, you'll understand how to play the chart. Do you see where I'm getting at, guys? When you know how good it is, when it gets cheap and scary, dumping, you're looking at that as opportunity. When people are fearful, you're greedy. And when people are greedy, you're fearful. It's basic, easy stuff, guys. Who wants to buy when it's going red, red, red? Because everyone's psychology is, I want it to go up. I want to make money. You're buying into your position. You buy a little bit here, 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 buy even more here. The cheaper it gets, the more you should be comfortable investing if you really understand the project. I'm telling you guys right now, XRP could get to fractions of a penny. I will move mountains. I will move mountains to accumulate as much as possible. It'll never get there. But if it did, I'm ready, guys. Are your hands that strong? I will never sell. It could go negative. I'm not gonna sell. I'll just live with the L for the rest of my life in case it tries to fuck me over and explode one day. You know, I'm telling you, I'm never letting it go. I'll just accumulate, accumulate, accumulate. Sadly, I don't know if we'll be getting much more accumulation. Wait till retail trader gets involved. Wait till wait till that day Coinbase says, "Hey, we're relisting XRP." Wait till Binance says, "Hey, we're relisting XRP." It's over. It's over. That's what I'm telling you guys. 384, the all-time high, that ain't shit. That ain't shit, guys. Back in 2017, XRP got to 384 in 30 days, or in 2018. All right? And now with all this positive sentiment, beating the SEC in court. I mean, wait till they replace the Howey test with the Ripple test because of this case. I mean, it's just too aligned. It's too synchronistic. And y'all know how I am, guys. I'm not a conspiracy theorist. I'm a coincidence theorist. And when you look at the XRP rollout, there are too many coincidences. There's too many things that line up too nicely. It doesn't make sense. If it doesn't make sense, then I gotta be aware. I gotta know what's going on there. There's a reason to try to not make it look so. So, anyways, guys, back to our analysis. I'm sorry, I could talk about it. There's so much to say, guys. There's really so much to say about XRP. Anyways, we are looking great right now. Get a pullback, you got opportunity to get some. If we take off, guys, keep celebrating, keep living, keep loving life because this is just the beginning, okay? We did not get XRP to sell at $1. We didn't get XRP to cash out at $2 or $3 or $3.84. We bought XRP because we were like, man, this thing could be $10 one day, $20 one day, $50 one day, $100 one day. I mean, if it just takes the Nostro Vostro accounts, which Greg Kidd, and if you don't know who Greg Kidd is, you need to know who Greg Kidd is. He's already said just the Nostro Vostro money is going into XRP. And if that's the case, you're looking at a minimum of a $270 XRP. Think about that. It's $1.02 right now. $270? Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all been seeing me talk about them yacht parties. Man, we get a $270 XRP. Man, I might just buy everybody a yacht for real. I'm gonna go fucking crazy, guys. Life is gonna be something special. Anyways, guys, so for the most part, XRP, it's looking good. It's looking bullish, guys. Real quick, I want to get into that other crypto. I know today's video might be a little bit longer. Man, when you experience a day like today, I mean, I love seeing everybody happy. Everybody hitting me up, celebrating, just blessed, guys. We are blessed. I mean, I can't even begin to explain how blessed we are. 4 hour chart, in my opinion, this wick right here just shows the weakness here, and then with the volume falling off, and with the daily time frame looking like it could come down a little bit, especially with the low volume. I I wouldn't be surprised if there's a pullback, guys. And it looks like that pullback could come down to like 85 cents. If we lose a dollar, I think it's going to be a lot more likely, because again, that dollar is that psychological price point. And why is this happening right now? Because again, look at Bitcoin. We got Bitcoin just all iffy and all that right now, giving us these mixed signals. Here we are over 58K again, just barely. So it's gonna be interesting. But I mean, look at that, guys. Came up, pulled back. If Bitcoin doesn't take off from here, guys, this thing is coming down. Okay? Everyone gets a shot. Right now the bulls are getting their shot. The bears dumped. The bulls popped it. The bears stepped back in. Now the bulls are getting the shot. We have our high and our lower high. These guys, these buyers, the bulls, they need to break this little area right here. All right. They need to go get to 59 and a half. They need to get to 59,500 and they need to do it in a convincing fashion. And then not only when they pass 59.5, they need to go break 60K and set a new all-time high to push this to higher prices, to get people to be like, here we go, it's the next wave. But if these buyers can't even break this 59, if they can't get into the 59,000 range, people are gonna be like, there's nothing here, which we're already, speculating there's nothing here. And this thing's gonna come down. Come down. First stop will probably be this 200 moving average. 55K. And what's 55? It's a nice round number, and it lines up perfectly with where we had some buyers in the past. So, I mean, 55K looks to be the next stop. If you feel the same way, if that like resonates with you, this would be a not so bad time to potentially get in for a short. Maybe not get your whole position in for a short. Let it confirm to you it's gonna fail. Let it show you that confirmation. Right now, it could still pop and go. I don't think it's gonna do that, but it definitely could. Once it comes up, if it shows signs of weakness up here and it's giving out and it can't get past this wick, it can't get into that 60K range, it can't do that 59.5. This up here would be your better chance for a short. See, I'm giving y'all some game right now. People who are gonna get my webinar, they're gonna get the goodies. Y'all just getting a sample, but it's okay. I like it. I like to give this information. I wish I could give y'all everything, guys. I wish I could. But anyways, let me show y'all something real quick. If you're a short seller, if you're a bull, why would you get in here if you get a better risk to reward ratio? Up here, check that out. Right above the all-time high. If you want to be like super, safe. I mean, really, the more risk tolerance you have, the higher you go. Most people will be in this range. I'd have to see where the target is. Hold on 1 second, guys, because if the target's not there, I'd not be willing to risk as much. 1 second. I mean, let's say, yeah, we said right here, like that 55. I mean, look at that, 6%. You're risking 2.8. You could even risk the 3 and still have a 2-to-1 ratio just to have that extra cushion, you know? I mean, really, I personally don't think you'd have to do that, have your stop here. I mean, but it's probably best, somewhere up here because they do like to go, fishing for stop losses and all that. Anyways, though, look at that. If you're a short seller, if you wait for it to come up and show signs of failure here, you get a much better risk to reward ratio than if you take it right now with this 200 and this 55 price range being the target, being the next most likely stop before you see the markets exchange information again to see which direction they want to take the price. So, and I mean, that's from where we're at now, we're going to drop 5%, if we get to 55K. And if the market follows, you're going to take 5% off all this. What's 5% from a dollar, guys? It's five, or I'm tripping. It's 5 cents. Yeah, 5 cents. Yep. So we could see XRP at like 97 cents if it follows, roughly. Don't take that with a grain of salt. Everything moves different. Just because Bitcoin moves 5 doesn't mean everything moves 5. But I'm just saying roughly, if the market kind of goes with the same amount, you could see that, And if we're under a dollar, what happens under a dollar? That's why we gotta just follow along, guys. Keep up with it. But anyways, Let's do one more quick analysis. This is the coin, my baby. I'm bullish on Polymath, guys. I'm very, very bullish. I am very, very bullish. And Polymath is looking like it's in trouble. It is looking like it's in trouble. I'm in. I'm in. I'm gonna stay in. I'm in for the long term. I believe Polymath could be a very, very big project. It's very secretive, and I like secretive, guys. Anyways, we're having a massive dump today. Polymath is down 17%. What's that mean, guys? It means if you want Polymath, you're getting it 17% off right now. Which means if you're good with that discount, it might be a good time to buy a little bit. Doesn't mean you gotta buy it all. And look what's happening. Just dump. Big volume coming in. We're on a 4-hour chart, guys. So we're just getting dump right now. Our moving averages are looking like they're ready to go through a death cross and go under the 200 and just add that extra pressure from the upside, guys. We got wick right here. We got wicks to the upside right here. I mean, it is just, it's feeling some pressure, guys. We're not really at a support level right here, you know? I mean, I'll draw a line for you real quick with where the price is currently at. I mean, yeah, it hovered and it kind of took off, but I wouldn't, I don't know. I don't think I would count this as a support. You know, in my opinion, I could see people interpreting it as such, which is why maybe you'll see a little bit of action here in the short term, especially when it's down 17%. Scalpers, day traders, they like to come in and get a cool little bounce. But if it's not gonna hold here, I mean, where are we coming down to? We're probably coming down to right here, guys. Let's bring our line down. Right here. 27 cents. I'm loading up, guys. If Polymath is at 27 cents, I'm loading up. I'm backing the truck up. I'm gonna fill up as much as I can with Polymath. So, at this price, I just don't like the risk to reward. You know, I wouldn't mind for my long-term bag accumulating at this price. I actually have some Polymath at this price. So I definitely wouldn't mind getting some at this price for my long-term bag. But when I to fill the bag, guys, where I'm like, I'm losing my shit. I gotta, you know, drop everything to make this play. That's not gonna happen until we get down here, that 27 cent range. You know, I mean, right here would be ideal. 19 cents, guys. I'll stop focusing on everything. If we get to 19 cents on Polymath, I'll stop focusing on everything else. No, I won't. I mean, no other crypto will have my attention. Well, there's one other crypto that will have my attention. Two, XRP always has my attention, guys. Okay, don't do me like that. But there's another crypto. There's a gem that I just love. I haven't really talked about too much publicly. I'm actually gonna give it to my people in my webinar here. You know, I'm gonna give y'all this new gem. We're gonna get such a great entry point, guys. People so sleep on this project right now. I can't wait to share it with y'all. So April 25th, you know, get ready, guys. Get ready. I had to leave y'all with a gem. Well, anyways, to get back to Polymath and this little technical analysis, yeah, it's dumping hard, guys. This is what you want if you're looking to go long. You don't want to buy long positions when the price is exploding, okay? You want to look for your long position entries when the price is coming down. And when you see a crypto down, it's down 18%. That's good, guys. That's real good. You're getting a discount. You're getting an 18% discount. Look at on a 1 hour chart. It doesn't look like it's ready to catch any support and bounce at this level. I mean, we did get a little wick, and now we're getting this little green candle, but with the volume increase, and that's all that's happening. Unless they're starting the accumulation phase and this thing starts to range sideways, this thing might just not have enough power yet, and it might come down. I mean, look, you see the wick came down, even with some volume, barely pushed, got up to that moving average, and then dump, and dump. But look at the sign, guys. This candle is pretty big. The volume's not so big. This candle has a hammer and the volume's looking great. You know, it's much higher and it turned bullish. You know, even though it's red, the color doesn't determine if it's bullish or bearish, okay? There's so much more to it. But if that's the case, if this is the first read, we could start getting a range. So if this candle holds here, if our next candle holds here, I would look to get interested in a little short-term trade on Polymath. You know, I think, and I love this project. I don't know enough about it, but I know how secretive it is. And I know the people behind it. Not all the people, but the forces behind it. So I'm very bullish on Polymath, guys. All right. And I think we could have a cool little trade opportunity coming up here. But anyways, guys, I think that's pretty good for today. I think we covered a lot. This was a fun video, you know. I gotta tell y'all a lot about XRP. We gotta do a little quick Bitcoin in there. Gotta go over Polymath, kind of see a possible setup. We're at 41 cents, guys. Market. We're at 41 cents. All right. Let's see what happens. We'll come back to this in our next, little technical analysis. We'll see. Did we get the bounce from 41 cents? Oh, did you see that volume? There's somebody buying, guys. Did y'all see that volume spike up, but the candle barely moved? There is something going on, guys. Hold on. Hold on. What happened? This is on a 15-minute. We just zoom in. Let's get a little read here. It's kind of interesting on a 15-minute. Got that big spike, but you still got the wick. I think they're starting to accumulate. I think first we're going to push for 43 cents, and then I think we'll probably push up here to that 45, 46 cents. And if it's bullish enough coming up to here, we easily go push for that 49 cents up to 51 cents. So I'll put some lines here. We're gonna make these orange. We'll come back to this, guys. All right, I'm very excited. Very, very excited. We want to see, do we get into here? Do we hit this target? Do we hit this target? This is what we want to do. Okay? We want to, our first challenge is right here, 42.9 cents. We get through that, we should be able to push up to here, that 45.5 up to 46 cents, somewhere in there. Really, I like to have ranges, guys, so we'll just do it like that. All right. So we're first looking to get, if we get through here, we're looking to get here. If we get through here, we got to see what happens to get us to here. I'd probably be looking, unless the markets went super bullish, if I'm taking this as a trade, this would be where I'd take the last of my profits. I'd be taking profits along the way, depending on how the trade plays out. So, but anyways, yeah, we'll keep our eyes on Polymath, guys. It's a cool project. If you're interested in it, the only exchange I'm aware of that sells Poly is Bitrue, and I'm telling you now, I'm not a fan of Bitrue. Bitrue, don't reach out to me. I cannot promote you guys. Not on not on like user interface, not on them crazy fees. Be prepared, guys. They have wild fees at Bitrue. It's probably because they're trying to get everyone to use their Bitrue coin, the BTR, because they'll give you 30% off. But some of their projects you can't buy in BTR. So I'm not sure if Poly is one of those or not. I haven't checked, guys. Anyways, I think we'll leave our little video at that, guys. I know today's was a little bit longer. We just had a lot to cover. We had a lot of information, guys. I mean, when you get a XRP blasting through over $1, you're gonna get a lot of information. Things are changing. You know, we're in a whole different place now. Like the game is different at this point. Do we hold at $1? Do we ever get crazy two for $1? I mean, do you see, like, do you guys really think we'll ever see a 30-cent XRP again? I'm just curious. Let me know in the comments. Do you think we'll ever see a 30-cent XRP again? I'm very curious to know what you guys think. Especially with everything that's played out and us breaking $1 the way we did today. Everything we've gone through over the last, year and a half as XRP investors. All the news coming out. The chance to beat the SEC here and to get relisted with all that. Do you guys think, well, even with Bitcoin if Bitcoin crashes 50%, do we ever see XRP at 30 cents again? Let me know. Anyways, guys, it was a fun video. I'm sending y'all lots of love, sending y'all lots of light. I'm excited for the yacht parties, guys. I'm excited for it all, guys. Lamborghinis, Ferraris, helicopters, land, you name it, guys. We're going to be living great. We are going to be doing big things, guys. We're going to spread love. We're going to spread joy. We're going to make the world a better place. All right, guys. The XRP investor is special. All right. The XRP investor, deep down, all the XRP investors, just good hearts. It's the reason they were attracted to it. It's the reason it was called out. XRP said, hey, come here, let me change your life. We're out here, guys. We're making big plays. I'm telling you, though, real quick before I end this, Poly, you see it's ranging, guys. It's ranging. Man, Cool little trade opportunity here. It's a little early to tell. We got 10 minutes left in the hourly. But if this candle holds like this and the next candle's tiny too, man, because we saw that volume, it just popped, it spiked. I think we could get a cool little trade, guys. It's going to be interesting. Anyways, guys, I'm going to end this video. I know if I make it too long, it takes too long to upload. And I'm not trying to be here for an hour making sure everything's set up. Usually uploads pretty quick, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, just depends. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you at the next video, alright, guys? Just stay lit, keep grabbing that XRP, guys. Keep holding strong. Y'all on the winning team. We're on the winning team, baby. Let's go. Alright, y'all. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon, alright?